In the present world scenario, pollution is one of the most threatening and bothering problems. So, whom does it affect? Is it only humans? Well, I guess no. Even birds, and in fact, every organism is affected by pollution. But today we'll talk about birds. Why do we humans even bother about birds? It's because of the therapeutic impact of birds chittering and singing on human minds. It elevates our mood and increases our work efficiency. Most importantly, extinction of bird can affect ecosystem, biodiversity and food chain. Now that we know the importance of bird, let's talk about the threats to birds. They are deprived of shelter due to deforestation. They are deprived of pure water due to pollution, and they are deprived of fresh air to glide across due to emissions. Here are the ways to save birds. We can set up water pots in our balconies and in our gardens. We can install bird feeders and keep few grains for birds every day. We can plant trees and build small shelters for birds. We can use window markers because birds can't spot windows and they die upon striking them. So, nature has given us a lot. Let's join hands together to preserve its beauty. Let's save one of its most beautiful creations, save birds.